everybody, and welcome to ELA. So today we're going to review something. We've already learned it, but I want our brains to stay sharp on it. And this is prepositions. Now, if you remember, prepositions are words that normally come after a noun. They tell us a point in time that something happens, a direction that something is going, or they can even tell us where something is. So different prepositions could be words like up or in, before or after, over or under, through or until, during or among. So these different words are going to be prepositions. They help tell us where things are, what they're doing, or what time this is happening. So if you remember when we did prepositions in class, we did preposition musical chairs, where you had to use a preposition with your chair. Sometimes it would be behind, or on, or under. So those are all prepositions. Today we have a sheet that we are going to work on together. So if you need to pause this video, that's okay. You can do that to get your sheet. Your sheet is going to be called Raining Prepositions. And there's a little girl on there with holding an umbrella. So if you'll get that sheet and then come right back to me. All right. So our sheet is called Raining Prepositions. First, I want you to write your name at the top of the page so that I know whose this is when I get it back. The directions for this sheet are really short and simple. It says the raindrops contain only parts of sentences. Write the preposition on the line. So in each of these raindrops, there's a part of a sentence, and that part of a sentence has a preposition in it. Now, the whole raindrop is not a preposition because a preposition is only one word. So we're going to see if we can find that word and then write it on the line. I'm going to do the first 3 with you, and then you can do the last 6 with a parent or whoever is doing your lessons with you. The first one says, to the store. Now let's look at that. To the store. Now we know that a preposition gives us a place and time, a direction, or where something is. So if I look at this, the does not give me a place and time, a direction, or where something is. Store is a noun. That's a place that we could go to. So the only other word we see there is to. To is telling us where we are going to go. The direction in which we are headed is to the store. So to is our preposition. You can write that in the first blank. Let's see. The next one says, for mom. For mom. Now we know that mom is a person, right? So it can't be mom. It has to be for. These flowers are for mom. That's where they belong. That's where they're gonna go. That is who it's for. So for is our preposition. Not the number 4, but like this is for my mom. So you can write for, F-O-R, in your blank. And the last one is about nature. About nature. Now, let's see here. About is not a person, place, or thing, right? Nature is. It's a thing. Nature could be outside, or trees, or grass. So if nature's a noun, that's not a preposition. And about, that's telling us what something is for and what its use is. So that is a preposition. So about will go in your third blank. So for your first row of 3, you should have to, for, and about written down. Good job, everybody. Now, after this video, you guys can work on this with your parents or whoever is doing your lessons with you. So please be sure that you finish the last 6 raindrops and see if you can find the prepositions. See if you can find them all on your own. As you go throughout your day today, see if you can notice when someone is using a preposition while they're talking to you. Or see if you can notice a preposition that you use when you're talking to someone else. And that'll be a fun little activity that you can do while you're having normal conversations throughout the day. I hope you had a great time in ELA, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.